Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be bringing you this ocean blue gradient blend out technique. You can use this technique with other colors, but I chose to use blue with it so that you guys can see how I do it. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer that was just released. I'm still trying to get a feel for it. This is only my second time using it underneath the eyeshadow, and so far so good with it. This is the Blue Moon palette, and the first color that I'm using is Moonlight. Since the eyeshadow primer has a white finish to it, I try not to blend up too far because I didn't want the light blue directly under my brow. I did go back in and use a flesh tone to blend that out under my brow off camera. The second color is called Fine China, and I'm going to put that in my crease and blend it up just a little bit above the crease. Out of all 9 colors in this palette, this color is my favorite, and I do plan on using it in another look to just so I can show how vibrant this color is. The third color is called Dive In, and I'm going to put that directly on the lid and blend it up just a little bit in the crease. Some people like to do the darkest color first, but for me, my problem with that way of doing it is that you don't always get that wiggle room of how dark or how deep you want it. Sometimes you can go in too much too fast. So that's why I do lightest to darkest. And at this point, you're just going to see me go back and forth with the different brushes and the different colors to make sure that everything is blended. For the bottom lash line, I took Dive In from the second to the third outermost part of the eye, and then I used Billie Jean to go right underneath that. We're going to leave room in the innermost part of the eye for the fourth and final color. The fourth color is called Billie Jean. And shout out to Colourpop for that, because this shade, I haven't found it in any other palettes. I was breaking out old palettes trying to see if I had this color anywhere because I hadn't seen it. But it really is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful light blue. Well, kind of a medium blue shimmer shade. And I clean up with a makeup wipe usually before I do the rest of my face and do the concealer. The last part of this look is adding the eyeliners, and it's really optional. You could do a dark blue eyeliner only on your lower lash line, but I decided to use both of Marc Jacobs blue highliners. One is called Whirlpool, which is the dark shimmery that I'm putting on the outside of the eye line, and then the Deja Blue is the lighter blue one that you see here. I just wanted to give a little bit of extra pop to the bottom lash line, but it's really up to you. And I'm adding lashes right here, and that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow tutorial part. I really do like this palette for $12. If I had to choose between this palette and a couple of other blue themed palettes that were released this year, I would probably still go with this one because of the different colors that you get in here. And with that color Fine China, other brands that released this shade, it was very, very chalky and hard to use. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and on this technique I'll be using it again with different colors. Thank you guys for watching.